Honda CR-V key battery replacement. It's easier than you think. Stay tuned at the end. We're going to talk about why we need to replace the battery so often.
Okay, so this is what happens when I start the car. Okay, so I have 3 keys with this car. I always order an extra set of keys whenever I buy a new vehicle. So I went to the dealer and talked to them, and they said that it'd be $6 to change one of the batteries over, and they suggest you change them all at the same time. So that would have been $18 plus tax, so about 20 some dollars. So I went to the dollar store and bought a 3-pack for $1, maybe $1.25 or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy these are to change. You need to pull the key out first. So if you can see this little button here, just push that over with your thumb and pull your key out. You don't require any tools to change this over. See the groove right there? Push the key into the groove and then twist. And it pops the key open. There's your battery. Right there. So what I'll do is I'll leave one open. Like this. And then I'll just do another one here. Pull this key apart. Put the key into here. Twist. It pops open. I'll pull the back off of this guy here. It's harder to open the battery package. Yeah, it's harder to open the battery package. Okay, well, we'll do one. The one that I have out here. So I'll make sure it's the right battery. Yep, 2030 CS. CR 2032. CR 2032. So basically what I did is I just took my thumbnail, oops, sorry, do this. And that's really it. Take the key, put it back in. Let's see if I can get one of these pesky batteries out. Do the next one. There we go. Take the battery, push it in this way, pop it in, take the cover, push down, make sure it's lined up. Just squeeze. It's all lined up. Put the key back in. And that's basically all there is to it. Okay, so less than, I don't know, 2 minutes. I changed all 3 key tags. Let's go and see what happens when I hop in the car. Okay, now that you've changed your battery, make sure that you go through and push these back together. If there's a small gap in here along the edge, see how that's pretty tight? If there's a small gap along the edge and this falls down and bumps, it'll split open. And you don't want that to happen when you have it in your pocket or anything like that. So just make sure that you've completely resealed it after you've done this. It can be a little bit tricky, but if you just concentrate and line them up, it won't have any issues. Well, change battery light's gone. And this happened at about 30,000 K. Yeah, under 30,000 K. So you can expect to change your batteries at around 30,000 K.
Okay, why do the batteries go dead so fast? The car's 2 years old, low kilometers. So I said, well, why do these keep going? And why would all three go at the same time? Because I only use one. And he says, because the fobs are continuously transmitting. Like, what? He says, yes, the fobs continuously transmit. So then I asked a few other people, and they're saying, well, that's how cars get stolen. If they go close to your house, they can clone your car keys just by standing at your front door, then transmit the signal to your car, hop in your car, and drive your car away. I was shocked. I hope it's not true, but who knows? Hey, if you enjoyed this video, you got some value out of it, please like and subscribe. It's free. It'll help me out. Just click on the icon on my face. Have a good night.